So this is homework 3.2. Number 9. And for this one right here, I don't think I need to do it in steps. I think I can do it all at once. So just work with me here. I need to reproduce this for my function. And this just means replace x with an x plus h. So that's going to give me 4 over x plus h. Minus f of x, well, that's just 4 over x. Oops, x, sorry. There it goes. 4 over x. And then all of that has to be divided by h. For the numerator, the common denominator is those two denominators, which is pretty much a cross multiply and cross again. So that's going to give me 4x minus 4 times x plus h over x plus h times x. Instead of dividing by h, what could I do instead?
This times it by 1 over
I could multiply that by 1 over h. Yeah, so I'm just going to do that right away. Yeah. So instead of dividing by h here, we're just going to write multiply by 1 over h. It's going to make our life easy later.
X plus h and x plus h cancel out.
Yeah, here, not yet.
Not a good idea.
Yeah, I have to distribute first.
Okay.
So here, when I distribute, that's going to give me a 4x minus a 4x
Cancel.
minus a 4h. Yeah, so again, one thought was, could I just cancel these? And the answer is I can't. Order of operations, I got to do this first.
Okay.
Yeah, so that would be.
If that was the times you could.
If this was a times, I could, yeah, right, but it's a subtract. In the bottom, I still have x plus h times x, and the 4x minus 4x goes away. And this is being multiplied by 1 over h still. So, and the h's are going to cancel because that's going to give me in the top just a negative 4h. In the bottom, x plus h times x. And then the h's cancel. And so now what's left? Negative 4 over x plus h times x. Okay, pause 1 sec. Now notice there's no limit here. So I'm done. That's my answer.
Oh, shoot.
Negative 4 over x plus h times x.
Multiply that out or
no? No, never multiply at the denominator, ever. Ever. Well, 99.9% of the time, don't do it. So that's a great answer for this one. And if you had a 5 in the top, put a 5 in the top, right? Denominator should be the same. So now I'm done with that problem. However, I'm dying to take the limit, aren't you guys? Let's do it before you run away on me. If I take the limit of that and take this a step further, well, if h goes to 0, x plus 0 is just x, times x is an x squared, so this becomes negative 4 over x squared. Notice that's very similar to the original function. 4 is still on the top. There's at least one x on the bottom. The only difference is I have a negative in the top and an x squared in the bottom. This is the slope function for the original function. So if I plug any x value into this new formula, that tells me the slope at that point. So this is my f prime of x. This problem didn't ask for that, but I found it just because it's fun. Okay, you can leave now. Or not.